Let's be honest, we spend a lot of time planning entries, but exits usually happen in a rush, on the go, impulsively, or without proper exit tools. Smart exit tools cost both time and profits. On Angel One, you have a range of exit tools designed for different trading situations, so your exits are planned, not rushed. From quick one-tap exits to automated stop losses, trailing stops, and predefined profit-loss limits, these tools help you log gains, limit losses, and stay in control even when markets get volatile. One-tap exit. Picture this, you're tracking multiple positions, prices are moving, and you want to exit everything fast. One-tap exit lets you close your entire position or strategy in a single tap. No hopping between screens, no manual selections. It's useful when the market moves suddenly and you want a clean, quick exit without delays. That's one-tap exit for you. No matter if it's equity or F&O, one-tap exit fits right into your trades. Next, trailing stop loss only on intraday orders. Every trader knows stop loss is important as it saves you from big losses. But what if your stop loss could also shift as the price moves? Meet trailing stop loss. Think of it as a stop loss that moves with the market. Let me explain. So in the regular stop loss, the stop loss stays fixed, but with TSL, as prices rise, the stop loss also keeps rising and move in your favor. That is, your stop loss automatically adjusts upward. Let's understand with an example. So with a regular stop loss, you might have set the stop loss at ₹95 when you bought the stock at ₹100. Even if the stock rises to ₹120, the stop loss stays at ₹95. So if the stock suddenly falls, you could lose a big portion of the profits you made. But with TSL, you buy a stock at ₹100 and set a trailing stop loss of 5%. This means your stop loss always stays 5% below the highest price the stock reaches. If the stock rises to ₹120, your trailing stop loss moves up automatically to ₹114, that is 5% below. Now, if the stock starts falling, the stop loss doesn't move down. So when the price drops to ₹114, your trade is exited automatically, locking in most of your gains. TSL really comes in handy if you trade intraday. Next, secure exit. Let's talk about secure exit, a tool that brings discipline to your trading. With secure exit, you set a total profit or loss limit for the day. And this isn't just for a single stock. It applies to all your open positions across the day. Once your predefined profit or loss limit is reached, the system automatically closes all positions. Let's say you're trading both intraday and F&O positions in a day. You set a daily loss limit of ₹3,500 each for both segments. If your combined losses in intraday trades hit ₹3,500, secure exit automatically closes all intraday positions. Similarly, if your combined losses in F&O trades reach the limit, it closes all your F&O positions. You can also set a profit target and secure exit will close all positions in that segment once it's reached. This way, instead of watching each trade individually, the system automatically exits all positions in a segment when your limit is hit. Next, OCO orders. Now let's talk about the OCO orders, which stands for one cancels the other. Here you place both a target and a stop loss at the same time. When one order executes, the other is automatically cancelled. This protects your exit for that specific trade without constant monitoring. Please note the key difference between secure exit and OCO orders. OCO works trade by trade, while secure exit works across all positions in a segment, closing them automatically when your daily profit or loss limit is reached. But here's the key thing to remember. When markets move fast, having exit rules in place matters more than reacting in the moment. These tools exist so you don't have to figure anything out mid-trade. Explore and use these exit and risk management tools for better trading outcomes and full control of your trades.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.